Hi dear Leo, very very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a 7 day 7 oracle messages for all the Leo Sun Moon Venus or Rising from 27th of April till the 3rd of May 2026. Please keep in mind these are general messages. This might or might not resonate. Even if it is with you 100%, just take the messages as the guidance, not as a life changing event or something. Whatever decision you guys are going to make based on these readings is your responsibility, not mine or my channels. For personal reading, healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. And for tarot reading course and Ho'oponopono Masterclass 2, links are given below. So let's start. Overall energy for Leo people for this week. Let's see. Overall energy for Leo people for this week. Let's see. Overall energy for Leo people for this week. So we have the decision. Release yourself from that which holds you back. You guys have to make some kind of decision or choice here, and there is something holding you back, or maybe someone holding you back, and you guys are not able to move forward. You guys have to start releasing yourself from that which holds you back. A need to detox, whether it's emotional, mental, physical, or digital detox. A need to detox is there for you guys for this week. Unnecessary worry based on a lack of self confidence. It's like you might be worried about something, but that's not actually your worry. It's actually your lack of self confidence that's making you feel worried about something continuously, something or someone continuously. So it's just lack of self confidence. Okay, it's not the real worry that you guys are continuously thinking about, not something that you're continuously thinking about. Let's see the per day messages for you guys for this week. Okay, let's start with the per day messages. Let's see what we have for 27th of April. We have the Eight of Michael. You can be free. Okay, you guys are keeping yourself stuck in a particular situation, and you guys can be totally free from this situation, but you guys have to make a courageous choice to change your situation. If you guys are not going to make a courageous choice or action or take a proper action here in order to keep yourself free, get yourself free from a situation, then you guys are going to be trapped in a situation maybe for a very long time. So it's better for you guys to make a courageous choice or action in order to be free from something that you are continuously feeling trapped in. Okay, not seeing things clearly right now. You guys might not be able to see things clearly about a particular situation, but with time you guys will be able to handle it properly. But again, you guys have to make the right choice or decision in order to be free from something that you guys are still feeling trapped in, so that you guys will be able to see things clearly. Like the clouds are there, you can't see the sky, but until unless you guys are going to do something to like clear the clouds, you guys will not be able to see the sky. So you guys have to work on something here. Okay, so we have 28th Queen of Michael. You know exactly what to do. You know there is something that you know, and you know with all of your heart and soul that this is what you should do in a particular situation. The benefit of experience, you have gone through this kind of shit in your life before as well, this kind of experience in your life before as well. And this time, if you're going to use your knowledge or your experience to your benefit, it's going to be very very easy for you to move forward in a particular situation. A time for your career rather than relationship. Shift all of your focus on your career rather than your relationship. Right now this day is demanding your focus on your career rather than your relationships. 27, 28. So we have done with the 27, 28, 29th. I think I said 26th instead of 27th. I'm sorry, it's 27th April. This is 28th April, the message that I just told you. Now it's 29th. The page of Ariel. An excellent opportunity will be offered to you. Some kind of excellent opportunity is going to be offered to you regarding some kind of scholarships or education, or like a career, a very beautiful career opportunity. Whatever it is going to be something that is going to lead to something really really beautiful and meaningful in the coming future, especially regarding your education. or your career. Time to get back to work. So this week is, I think, all about career and money and job and finances, rather than your relationship and or focusing on yourself more than anything else or anyone else. Okay, 27, 28, 29. 30th, we have the Eight of Raphael. There is something better waiting for you. You might be keeping yourself stuck on something that's not good for you anymore, that's not working out for you anymore. So there's something better waiting for you guys on the horizon. If you guys are going to keep yourself stuck on something or someone continuously, then you guys might be in this energy of missing a very beautiful opportunity. Do what you know is right for you. Do what you know is right for you, not what you think is right for you. Sometimes what we think is not the right thing to do. So do what you know is right for you. A spiritual quest. This day might give you this energy of starting a spiritual journey, starting or restarting a spiritual journey of yours. So go ahead and take the action in this direction, and you guys are going to figure out a really good way to move forward. So we have 27, 28, 29, 30th. 1st of May, we have the 10 of Gabriel. Ask your angels for helpful people to lighten your load. You can ask your angels, you can ask the existence, the universe, your spirit guides, your deity, your god, your goddesses. So for helpful people to lighten your load. You might be working too many hours, or you might be working on so many things at the same time. There's a lot of burdensome and heavy energies around you. So instead of doing everything by yourself, take help from somebody who can help you to unload your burden. Trying too hard to please others, people pleasing is not going to help you in any way. Leo, just stay yourself, stay honest with yourself, stay truthful to yourself. Whatever is supposed to be with you, or whosoever is supposed to be with you, is going to like you the way you are. Okay, you don't have to bend yourself backwards in order to be liked by someone, okay, or a group of people, or the society, so-called bullshit society. Anyways, we have 27, 28, 29, 30. First, 2nd May, we have the Four of Ariel. When you give, you also receive. When you give with your open heart, a grateful energy, you also receive with a grateful energy. Being resistant to change. The more you are going to be resistant to change, the more it's going to be difficult for you guys to have growth and expansion. The way you guys deserve and want, deserve and desire, sorry. Extremes in how you save or spend money. You have to figure out a balance in saving or spending your money. Either you are saving too much, or either you're focused on saving too much, or you're focused on spending too much. So you guys have to find out a middle ground, where you are not doing, where you are not going in the extremes, whether it's saving or it's spending. I think I have to pee, that's why I'm in a rush. Okay, so 3rd of May, we have the Queen of Gabriel. You can do anything right now. This day marks the energy of you can achieve anything on this particular day if you are really, really focused on that particular thing. Go after what you want. Go after what you think is right for you, what you deserve, and what you want, what you are leaning forward to have in your life. The ability to attract helpful people. This day, you guys will be able to attract helpful people towards yourself naturally and organically. All you have to do is set the intention that I want helpful people around me, and you guys will be able to get them. Okay, let's see the final message here for you guys for this week. Leo, we have the Two of Ariel. It's important to have balance. Okay, you're going in extremes. Either you're not doing anything, or you are doing too much. So again, you guys have to find a balance and a middle ground in order to achieve something really meaningful in your life. Maybe a compromise with someone. Okay, working multiple jobs or projects at once, you guys might be doing so many things at the same time, and it's kind of confusing you. So you guys have to make your work fun. Either try to take help from somebody who can help you in order to get your things done, or you have to make your work fun in order to keep going it, in order to be happy and at peace with yourself or with your work that you're doing, right? So this is what I have for you for this week. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, may existence bless you. Namaste, Leo. I'll see you soon. Bye bye, take care.